Hi, my name is Christopher White. This is CS50W, Web Programming with Python and JavaScript, which is Harvard's online course. This is project number 2 titled Commerce. The idea of this site was to build a website with Django, Python that functions the same as the traditional eBay website. So we had to create a number of models for our website. For the database, the first one for the user, the second one for the listings, the third for the bids, comments, and the final one for the watch list, which we'll discuss in detail as we go through the project. So this is our all listings page. You can see this lists basically all the open and the closed listings. This is our active listings page, where you can see that it shows a number of listings that are current. So the first thing that I'll show you is to create a listing. We create a listing, say the price would be $1,000. We'll say it's a car. Let's say it's a Kia. We choose the image, like so. And we select an image, and you can see here if the image is loaded, we put round tires, and that's all we'll put for a description. As we press the upload button, you can see that our item is uploaded and it's displayed. The image is displayed along with the starting bid, the item, and the category that it's in. Once we've done this, we can go to active listings, and you'll see that now here our listing is here. So we click on our listing, and we can select the starting bid. So if I select $999 and I submit the bid, it will tell you, sorry, the bid must be greater than $1,000 because the starting bid is $1,000. So if I go back and I make the bid 1,001, it'll tell me your bid has been successful. If I go back again and I try to do the 6,001 bid, it says, sorry, your bid must be greater than 1,001. So the next thing that I'll show you is the comments. So I can say, great color in this case. And when I select the comment, it'll now display my comment there. When I go to the active listings and I select on it, now you can see that the comment is displayed. And all the comments will be displayed in order from newest to oldest. And as you can see in our active listings, that is how it is displayed as well. So we go back to our active listing here. You'll notice that there's a close listing button, and there's an add to watch list button. So if I add this to my watch list, then now you can see the button remove from watch list is there. If I go to my watch list now, you'll see that there's a number of items in my watch list, being this one in particular. And I can say remove from watch list. So if I select on this item, also in addition to that, I can search by categories. I can say I want to look at the phones, and all the phones that are listed will be there. Or I could want to look at the trucks, and they're there. But it only displays the active listings. It doesn't display all the closed listings. So I'll go here, and if I'm the user that created the listing, I can say close listing, and it'll say bid approved, this listing is now closed. Now when I go to active listings, you can see that it's no longer there. However, if I go to all listings, it is there, and I select on the listing, it'll say congratulations, you have won the bid. Now ideally you can buy it yourself, but you can also do this with another user. The final thing that I'll show you is our admins page. You can see that we have our bids here. Those are all of our bids. These are all of our listings, and I'll just show you an example with the one that we created. We can delete a listing here, and it says, yeah, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. And then it says your listing has been deleted successfully. Anyways, that's the project. Thanks for taking a look at it. We appreciate it. Bye.